Hello and welcome to the Build for the Build. I'm back with a short update on a previous project. After building the race chair this summer and having it around for the last 7 months, I have found a few things to improve. The poles for the steering wheel was upgraded to 40/40 profiles to increase the rigidity. The pedal mount was simplified to have only back and forward motion. The tilting was removed to create more stability. All this was done off camera. The last thing to do in this round is also today's subject, replacing the 6 legs with 4 wheels. This will make the chair easier to move into place, center screen and out of the way after use. After mounting all the wheels, I decided to move the screws to the inside of the holes on the mounting plate on the wheels to get a more stable mount on the 40/40 profile. To stop the chair from moving around when in use, 2 of the wheels can be locked in place. The wheels are mounted in opposite corners. Thank you for hanging on this far. See you in the next video.